Bitcoin is about to collapse here to the downside, and I will show you in today's video the exact targets that I'm looking at and where I'm gonna place my next short trade. So let's get directly into it, guys. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel, and let's get started here. So we have seen yesterday what I was expecting, the breakdown here out of that rising channel, this rising parallel channel that we had. And now the Bitcoin price went all the way down to 16,000, slightly under $700, so $16,690 ish, where we dropped down here. And from there, some support came in that was also expected for the short term, that we see a small relief from that when we tap into this area here back to the upside. So, but here comes now what I'm gonna expect next, and that is that we will come up here, most likely to the bottom of this rising parallel channel, which was formerly support, and will now act as resistance, and the price will straight come back down to this upward sloping support line, and from there break this these two levels here and even go potentially all the way down here to $16,000 and even lower than that. So that is what I believe is going to happen here in the immediate short term. And I also want to talk about my short position that I took yesterday. I have shared already the results in my free Telegram group. The link is in the pinned comment below and in the description of the video if you want to see it. And I'm getting ready here for the next short opportunity, guys. And let me show you what levels I'm looking at. Really interesting. From where I'm gonna take my next short position. So one level, we are close to it already, is around here, $16,900 approximately, where I'm gonna take my next short position from. So let me see, yeah, here. So why do I take it from there? Because we have along this line here a lot of wicks. Every time we try to break this level and never managed to stay above it until here with the parallel channel. So but even here we saw a major wick above that. So and then the price always came down to retest this level multiple times, and that's why I also told you guys that this is a sign of weakness if we always are gravitating around this specific price level, and the more often we test it, the more likely it is that we're gonna break this. So, and exactly that happened yesterday, exactly as I had predicted it to you guys, that this is the outcome that I'm looking at. So, and I took already some profits on my trade that I initially took here yesterday, made some good money off it when I took the profits this morning. So, and now we will come back up to retest that level and then head here into lower levels. So a secondary level where I'm looking at for a potential short is if we would break, where was it? Oh, actually it's here, the $16,721 level, no, 16,680. So here, there, now I see where I have drawn the line on my other computer. So here. So between these, so on these two lines, white lines, I have alerts right now to notify me when we touch these price levels so that I can open my short position. So either if we break $16,600 ish, so and that is because all the wicks along here, also here, we see a lot of wicks here along that line. These two levels are the levels that I'm looking at to open a short position. So we of course have to wait now where we are going to, but it looks like we go to the upper level and from there we'll then come back down. I will also show you now why I believe that this is going to be the case. So, and one reason for that is here, the 50 and the 200 moving average. So the 50 is coming now close to 200 to get a crossover here, which is a bearish crossover. So, and is called a death cross. So, and once we get the death cross, the price will start to trend lower again because there is pressure coming in from the 50 moving average here on the 1 hourly chart, and will suppress the price under that 50 moving average, as we have seen that already here in this region. Also here we were under the 50. Also here we stayed under the 50 for a while. So this will happen again. So, and also here on the stochastic RSI on the 1 hourly, of course we see now a small relief bounce to the upside. This can go on for another 2-3 hours, maybe even 4 hours before this will turn around and drag prices even lower, and will break also this support box that we have here right now. So we have now tapped in 4 times, actually with that break 5 times. So, but I believe that we're gonna break here lower again. So there's also a head and shoulders pattern evolving here on the chart, and the neckline was already broken. So neckline was here, and let us have a quick look where the technical target is. Of course, this is not super accurate right now, but more or less to give us an idea where we're heading to. So this also gives us a target of $16,350 approximately to the downside. So that's why when we retest now the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, I gonna re-enter a short position and trade this all the way down to the technical target, because I think we're gonna hit it. Another reason why I believe that we're gonna hit this is that we finally have dropped off the EMA ribbon on the daily chart. So I have warned you guys also about that the longer we stick here in this lower area of that EMA ribbon, the more likely it is that we're gonna drop out of it to the downside. So, and to look and behold, we just got supported from this middle line that I had drawn here already, I think 2 weeks ago or something. But also this will not hold in my opinion. So, and look again where the bottom is of our symmetrical triangle. It is at the $16,300 area that I've just pointed out as the technical target for this head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hourly chart. So also here the stochastic RSI is turning around now to the downside, so more downwards pressure is put on Bitcoin. So, and of course that will lead to lower prices. And yeah, we can only take advantage of that and make some money to the downside. If you want to trade this with me together, guys, don't forget on BYBIT you still get $30,000 in bonuses if you sign up with my link, and on Bitget $20,000 only with my specific link, guys. Only with these links you are able to claim these bonuses. They will really soon run out, so make sure that you take advantage of that. That's it already for today's episode, guys. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make some money. I will see you tomorrow.